Understanding Wunderkind, Prodigies Among Us. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating term that you might have heard and wondered about. Wunderkind. It's a word that often pops up in conversations about exceptionally talented young people. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the world of Wunderkinder and discover what makes them so special. Wunderkind is a term borrowed directly from German, where Wunder means wonder and kind means child. When we talk about a Wunderkind, we're referring to someone who demonstrates remarkable proficiency in a skill at an age younger than one would expect. These are the child prodigies. Young musicians, chess players, mathematicians, or athletes who are operating at the level of an adult expert. It's not just about being good at something. It's about being phenomenally good at an incredibly young age. The term Wunderkind has been part of the English language for quite some time. It entered the lexicon because there was a need for a word that captured the extraordinary abilities of some young individuals. While the concept of child prodigies is universal, the German language provided a term that perfectly encapsulated the phenomenon. Interestingly, Wunderkind is used as both a singular and plural form in English. Similar to how sheep or fish can refer to one or many. However, you might also hear Wunderkinder as the plural form, which maintains the original German pluralization. Not all Wunderkinder are the same. They can be found in various domains. Here are a few areas where they often emerge. Music. Think of young composers who write symphonies or play instruments with the finesse of seasoned musicians. Mathematics and science. Some children have a knack for numbers or an understanding of scientific concepts way beyond their years. Sports. Occasionally, young athletes demonstrate physical abilities and strategic thinking that catapult them into the professional league. Language and literature. There are also literary geniuses who pen works with a depth of emotion and understanding that belies their age. Throughout history, there have been many well-known Wunderkinder who have made significant impacts in their respective fields. Here are a few. Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. He started composing music at 5 years old. Blaise Pascal, a French mathematician who made significant contributions to the fields of geometry and probability before turning 16. Pelé, the soccer superstar who played in his first World Cup at the age of 17 and showed skills comparable to veteran players. Identifying a Wunderkind isn't just about spotting a talented kid. It's about observing a young person performing at an advanced level in a very specific field. Often, these individuals are not just doing well compared to their peers but are also outperforming adults. And that's a wrap on today's topic, Wunderkind. I hope you've enjoyed this exploration into the world of child prodigies and that it's inspired you to recognize and appreciate the extraordinary talents of the young people around you. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious. Goodbye, and take care.